Hello, so today I'm going to walk you through how you can create forms into the HubSpot, because forms are something very much essential for lead generation, and you have to put the form everywhere, even you are creating any web page, or maybe you want to add an hyperlink into any of the email as well. So let's go in for the form. So so the this is the contact, like a home page of the HubSpot. So you have to go to the marketing section and come down to the forms here. So there are two ways to create form. Either if any of the form is already existing, so you can directly clone from here and modify as per your need. And if you do not have any form available, so you directly go and click from here. So there are two options. First option is form editor, where you will find some of the pre-template forms from from the HubSpot, and this option is where you have to build from the scratch. Let me show you how the template looks like. So this is the template, along with the theme of the form. So you can pick any of the theme directly from here, whether it's a newsletter, contact us, whatever. Or maybe if you have a theme already available, so you can go with the blank and design as per your need. Let me go back. Let me go with the scratch one, blank. Okay, this so the form looks like this. So email will come as a default in the first, so you can manage as per your need. So mainly in the forms, if you have seen, we required the first name always, last name. So you can adjust the first name, last name as per the right left combination. It's up to you how do you want to create the form. And also there are some options in the fields. Just you want to make that field mandatory to fill. If somebody doesn't enter their first name, so can't be proceed for the entire submission of the form, if you keep that as a mandatory field. And you can hide also. So hide means that the field will be part of your form, but the field is hidden, so the published form will not see by the users. These are the label. If you see here first name, so you can remove that, so we'll remove directly. Or you want to give the kind of placeholder shadow here of the first name, so you can give like this first name. So so the first name will see to the users and will get an idea this is about the first name to enter. This is up to you how do you want to make that. Let me take couple of relevant fields. Company name, yeah. So this is a way, and here are the other elements for the data privacy. So HubSpot always gives the privacy and asks for their agreement to send and any further communication and all. So it gives the kind of checkbox here. If somebody checks that box, so it means that the user is agreeing to send any further communication related to a company. And there is a captcha also. So the captcha is also very much important and should be part of the form, because captcha removes the spams and robotic form fill-ups. So if you have a captcha in your form, so it means that no one can spam your form, and whatever the form fillings are coming, so they should be any human. It's it always something mandatory to keep that as a good practice to creating the form. Okay, once the form is run as per your requirement, you go with the next option here. So in the next option, you will find the post submission message. Like somebody fills the form, do you want to display any of the message like this? Thank for submitting form. Thanks for registering, as per your need. And if you don't want to show that and you wanna land someone into the thank you specific page which you already built in case, and you wanna show some of the good resource blogs and all, so you can do that as well. But for that you have to create first any of the thank you landing page and give the URL of that page. So whenever somebody fits the form, so automatically the person will direct to the thank you page. So they are the scheduling type of things. So generally we use these two options. And this is about a life cycle stage. So this is the default from the HubSpot as a lead. So whoever fills the form will consider that as a lead. You may change that if you want, but the default one is correct from the HubSpot. This is the form submission notification. Whoever fills the form and you have a someone in your team or maybe any specific email ID you want to notify, so you can add that like this. Right now we do not have much user in the HubSpot, so if you have a user, so all the users email ID and the teams will be showing here. The language, no change, keep it English. Add to campaign, if you want to attach the form any of the campaign, so you can attach that to see the sort of traffic everywhere. And this is about on and off, always create a new. So generally we always keep it off, because this is something, because we know if somebody is coming into the website, they must be a unique email ID. So generally we really turn on that feature whenever we are using something internally, or maybe mainly it happens during the scanning the QR code and you're managing and putting by your own the leads. In that case, if the system is same, so otherwise we always keep that turn off. And pre-populated, this is something we have to keep it on always, to get all the pre-populated contact fields if somebody has already accepted our cookies in the website. Let's go with the next section here. So here is the label. How do you want to modify your event, the form like this? So here are four type of label. You can display your form accordingly. And here is the style. Do you want to change any of the font or maybe color coding and all something? You can do that. And this is the test. You can do that before publishing the form. So that is also option available. So this is the option to directly add to the workflow, but that is something people generally don't do from here. So they first publish from here, update and publish, then add wherever the form is required, like this. So once the form is created and the form is published and people have started filling the form, so you can also see the traffic in the form here. So you will find the traffic here in the performance level. You will see how many views, any conversion happened, how many submission happened. So you will see all the sort of report types from here, like this. and or also you can identify by the date range as well. This one is sort of analysis, and this one is some how many number of forms submitted by the users. So this is pretty I have covered all the things around the form to create. uh, Thank you.